What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys something that's a little bit different than what we normally do, but it's going to tie into the kind of lifestyle and what we do on the channel already. So right here we have something that we've never had before, but we've definitely ridden a bike before. This here is going to be an electric bike, so we're pretty excited to show you guys that. So let's get it open and see what it looks like. So this is the box that it will come in. So it looks like, and I hope that it's going to be fully assembled, so there's not going to be a lot of assembly and we can get in it and ride it right away. So pretty small box. It's about 1.5 feet wide, a little bit long the length of the bike. It does have little handle holes so you can move it around easily. So this is kind of cool that it came this way. But let's get it opened and pull it out. So here's what it looks like inside the box. So this is the back of the chair, this is your seat, and this would be the front. Looks like we got some big old tires on the side of it. Looks like the back tire is actually already installed. So I'm gonna grab a second pair of hands and we're gonna pull this thing out and show you guys what it looks like. So we got it pulled out of the box and here's what we got. We got the front tire and wheel. It's all wrapped up, so we'll get it all apart, and there's actually this box here. I'm guessing it's all the pieces and everything, so we're going to give you guys a real nice first impression of this new bike. So we got all the foam and packaging and protective stuff that was on the actual bike. So this is what it'll look like after you have everything off. It gets this little nice stand, so that way you're not trying to balance it as you're assembling it. And then over here in the box that I showed you guys earlier is a bunch of other stuff that's very handy, like this lock that obviously you can lock with. We get your charger, we have a bike alarm, a hat, a phone mount, manual, a light for it, the pedals of course, and then in this little baggie is actually tools to actually put the bike together and repair it and stuff like that. So that's pretty handy, because now we need to put the tire on and we need to put the handles on. So it is really nice and handy that they actually provide that for you. So let's finish assembling this. And if the box didn't give it away, this is the MagiCycle bike, or MagiCycle bike, however you want to say it. But so far we are pretty impressed with it. We got the black version and so far it looks really nice. One of the biggest things that we really look when we started looking into bikes is actually the quality of the welds. You guys can see here, super nice aluminum TIG welds on this thing. Alright guys, so here it is, fully assembled. Got the brakes and the wheels on the front. We have the front splash guard, which wasn't assembled, so we had to put that one on. We got the light assembled on the front as well. Handles, I think we have to adjust the handles a little bit because it is slanted a little bit up, so we're going to tilt it forward a little bit. Let's see here, what else did we assemble? We put the pedals on. Everything else should be good to go, and this thing looks pretty awesome. Like I said before, this is going to be my first e-bike, or should I say our first e-bike, because everybody at the shop here is going to be able to pretty much ride it and see how it handles. So first we got the controller here. This is the on button, actually up here right on top. Screen comes on. So on this little controller we have let's see, a plus sign, info, and minus. So as you cycle through the plus and minus, the lowest number, 0, is you don't want the motor to assist at all with riding the bike, and then all the way up to 7 is going to be pretty much 100% assist. So that's pretty cool. currently at 52%. I'm gonna familiarize myself with all of this when I make the a second video, give you guys a full review on how it's been performing. But this first video we're gonna do, I'm gonna take it for a quick spin and see how an e-bike feels like. So let's go out there. It's a beautiful day and test it out. Okay, so first time on here. I wonder if the seat's adjustable, which I believe it is. We got gears over here, which you guys can't see, but I'm just gonna go back and forth and kind of get a feel of this thing. So I currently have this at 0 assist. So basically it's not helping me at all. So it just feels like a normal bike at the moment. Let's see here. Let's bump it up to 1 and see what that feels like. Okay, so you guys saw there how I kind of went forward. One pedal pretty much will give me a pretty nice boost. So check this out. One pedal. So that's pretty cool. So that's something completely different that I've never felt before with a normal bike, obviously. So when you pedal, motor kicks in and assists you right away, right there. So that's pretty awesome. So having this set to 7, let's try it out, is gonna be the max. So let's see how this does. Oh yeah, that's having it on the 7 feels like absolutely nothing at all. So that's pretty cool. Oh, a lot of power. So yeah, it's a lot of power. I'm gonna turn it down because yeah, I'm not used to it yet. So there's a lot of things I gotta get used to. But we also have the throttle right here. So you can obviously use that without pedaling. So I'll go ahead and let go of the brake and just turn that. So pretty cool there. Yeah, so you can pretty much do anything without even pedaling at all. So I'm gonna try it again. So no brakes. I'm not gonna pedal at all. I'm just gonna turn the throttle. So I'm just gonna have my feet off so I can show you guys. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that option right there is gonna be pretty awesome, just because when you do get tired and you don't wanna pedal just because you've been riding for so long, you can just use the throttle and get you home. And yeah, it's pretty cool. The assist is going to definitely be something that I need to get used to, just because as soon as you pedal, I think probably half of a full turn or half a turn, it kicks in and really assists you and just rolls by itself. So if you're close to something like right in front of me, make sure you have the wheels turned so that way you don't run into something. But this is going to be pretty awesome. It has leather grip for handles, which is pretty awesome. I don't know if it's real leather or not, but it feels good. Brakes are pretty good, not extremely good because you know it is a heavier bike, but once again I'm not quite used to it yet, so we're gonna see how it does. And yeah, there's preload on here, and this over here has a lock open and closed, so have to get used to a lot of things. But we're gonna make a second video, and that'll be after we test out everything and see how it really works and just getting understand of everything, all the menu stuff, and let you guys know what we feel about it. But so far, an e-bike's pretty awesome, and it's gonna be great for the summer. So hopefully we'll get to take this up in the mountains, run some trails with it, and obviously now we got to get a bike rack for the truck. So This is gonna be cool. I really enjoy it. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. And if you guys want to see more of this, just let me know. So far, I like it a lot. Really quality stuff, this MagiCycle. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in more of these videos. And of course, once we take it on the trail, get more familiar with it, we'll let you guys know more about it. But it's pretty awesome so far. So that's gonna be it. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.